I've actually bought a video camera. I don't have it set up yet. It's just a little cheap one. But I'll start adding some video pieces in with some of this work I'm doing. This is the little room with the pavers where they're going to do their outside cooking. And now that the pavers are down, I've got an idea of what I need to get these walls shored back up and remove these plates which were rotted away to nothing. About 1/8 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of wood on top of dirt. But I've gotten all that dug out of there. Now, at this point, I was to cutting the actual wall studs off so I could ended up using a triple plate of treated 2x4 and pretty well got it all shored and straightened up, which I wasn't real good on my pictures. I laid my first 2x4s and tap-conned all that into the concrete and then fastened the next 2 layers along this south wall to shore that up, and then just use screws to angle screw to the actual triple plate on that south side. Then around on the east side where the other door is, I had brought that up, leveled that off, double plated that. But the siding along the bottom, I have siding as luck I would have it in the top of this building, so I will be able to get that straightened up after I grout in any of the missing spots. But it cut that corner piece out of there. That was rotted clear off. Ran, the other piece down along the edge of the foundation. I took then and cleared out that area along that door frame to to actually make a door that properly opens and closes on that side. But this pink insulation then I have added, that big tree there, it's going to get cut down. But they pulled me off to install ceiling fans. Everyone was in this big rush to get moved in, which totally screwed things up because I needed about a week to have all that. This is one electrical wire circuit. I ended up going through the attic and having to replace the wires through a junction box to get truly good wire for a couple of these ceiling fans to correct the boxes. Oh, my picture taken wasn't the best, but 3 of the fans are nice blade, 52-inch 3-blade with remote, extremely nice. Of course, then the movers showed up with refrigerators and stuff going to the basement, so you end up pulling that all apart. Now this is the main entryway light, which is a little crystal-like style chandelier. Got about 1,000,000 doodads hung all over it, but it ends up looking very nice. But I also had to find a way to straighten the wires up where they come down on this. This older house, it's just in need of quite a few things. They should have given me a month to have worked on a lot of this. But yeah, those are the little crystals. There's 4 rows actually. 7 great big ones in the middle, and then they taper down smaller and smaller as they get to the outside. There it is, completed before the lights turned on. There are the 5 little LEDs make quite a bit of light. Pretty well got that taken care of. Then found out that the washing machine outlet was wrong. It had to be replaced and a wire changed there. Well, then they got to the dryer. Dryer is a 4 wire, so I had to replace the outlet for that. But that's the update for this week. Thanks for watching.